February the 3rd, 2017. Cold day in Chilliwack, about 0. I have a bird cage out there. Used to have a finch in till she died, and I put seed in it. Now it's full of juncos. They're having a ball in there. Look, playing around on it. Look at them. There's 1, 2, 3. Now there's 4 inside. They aren't sure how to handle it. Maybe some of them are trying to get out. They don't know how to get out, it looks like. Don't realize they have to go to the bottom. Now that one's getting a little panicky up there in top left. Oh, maybe they're not. It's down at the bottom eating now. There's another one down there. Gonna come up. I didn't expect they would go in there. Oh, there's another one. Wonder what they'd do if the dog come up from the back. Hope they wouldn't panic and a squirrel in the backyard. See? Well, they're having fun. Eating. Suppose if I had a trap on that door, I wouldn't do that.